Everyone, welcome to How Tech. My name is Sam. I'm a data analyst and RPA developer. Before we get into the presentation, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notification when I post a new video. Also, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate your support. Now let's get into the video. So the question that all of you are probably asking is Java dying? Java was first released in 1995. It has been the most in-demand language for over 20 years. It is widely used across the industry, and it is often a compulsory part of a syllabus in most computer science courses across the world. But many developers are beginning to see it as an old language, and they predict that it will become an obsolete soon. In this video, I'll be explaining if that is indeed the case. Here are the Google searches for all programming languages from March 2017 to October 2021. You can see that Python is on top of the list and Java is number 2. Java searches went below Python after April 2019. This shows that Java is still a relevant language across the world and it is being searched for very frequently. Overflow is a platform where people ask questions and discuss issues related to a programming language. This graph shows a data from last 10 years, which shows that Python community is very active. JavaScript is number 2 on the list, and Java is number 3 on the list, which does not necessarily mean that Java is dead, but it is declining. One of the great indicators of any programming language is that how many web pages are currently available related to that language. So if we look at this data below, this is a 10-year data. In this, Python has the most web pages maintained, while Java is number 2nd, which shows that there is still demand for a lot of Java content, and therefore a lot of websites are being created and maintained that contain Java information related to Java. Based on all the research I did while preparing for this video, I found that Java is not going anywhere. And here are some of the reasons why. Java is backward compatible, which is more than other programming languages can say. Stability is a massive advantage, especially the large organization and large code bases. Number 2 is the Java is fast. It was slow back in 1990s when it was first created, but that has changed. With libraries like Java CPP, it is now easy to push computation to native when you need to do it. Number 3 is Java handles multi-threading and concurrency better than any other languages like Python. Multi-threading is an important part of Java. Java usually gives better error messaging than C++, which makes for greater productivity and faster debugging. Java has an ecosystem of apps and frameworks that is deep and rich. In Java, you can find a library for almost anything. Number 6, Java has a huge community. Estimates shows that between 5 to 9 million developers use Java as their primary programming language. This is a huge community of active developers that are actively using Java and helping each other, trying to make Java better. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also, please like this video if it was helpful to you. Please give me feedback on how I can improve this channel and bring more content related to your liking. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.